Polka dots are one of those timeless patterns that never really go out of style. You see them in fashion, home decor, gift wrapping, and even baby products. They are simple, clean, and very versatile. Another reason polka dots are a great idea is because they are perfect for all-over print products, such as fleece blankets, paper bibs, aprons, wrapping papers, and many others. And the best part is, you can create polka dots using only Zazzle's built-in tools. Hey, it's Trevor. Today I will show you how to make a simple polka dot pattern step by step using a medium-sized fleece blanket for this demo. Let's get started. Once you are inside the design tool, go to the left side menu and click Elements. When the panel opens, you will see many different shapes and graphics available. Now before we continue, I want to briefly mention something important. Not everything you see inside design tools is always okay to use for sale. That's why some Zazzle designers wonder why they are not able to see the Sell It button on their product. Some elements may belong to other designers or have usage restrictions, but simple geometric shapes and borders or lines are usually safe to use because they are basic shapes built into the system. So for this tutorial, we will be using a simple circle shape. Under Dynamic Shapes, click on Circle. You will now see the circle appear on your design. Since polka dots usually don't have an outline, let's remove the border. Go to Line Weight on the top bar and change it to 0. That removes the outline completely. Now let's set the color of the dot. For this example, I'm going to use my channel color. Go to Fill Color, then select Custom Color and type in the hex code. Now the circle turns into a solid blue dot. Next, we need to decide how far apart the polka dots should be. Go to Alignment on the top bar. Under Scale, use the plus and minus buttons. Now here's an important tip. At this step, I actually want to make the circle larger than the final dot size. That's because this size controls how far apart the polka dots will be when we repeat the pattern. So I will resize the circle to roughly the spacing I want between each dot. Now let's turn this into a repeating pattern. Go to Effects, then look under Tiling. Choose Half Break. As soon as you click it, you will see the circle repeat across the entire surface in a half break pattern. Now we have the structure of our polka dot. Now that the spacing is set, let's create the actual dot size. Go back to Alignment, then use the minus button under Scale. This will make the dot smaller while keeping the spacing intact. Keep adjusting until you reach the dot size you like. And just like that, you now have a clean polka dot pattern across your fleece blanket. This type of design is very simple, but also very powerful. Polka dots work really well on products like fleece blankets, baby bibs, aprons, wrapping paper, tote bags, pillow covers, fabric style products, and many more. They are timeless, beginner friendly, and easy to customize using different colors and sizes. You can also experiment with different dot sizes, colors, and spacing to create many variations from just one simple idea. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, I would really appreciate it. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell so you'll be notified when there are new updates on this channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.